Yakubu manager, you will feel it like it's malaria, but it's pregnancy. Is that clear?
Is this not Bronson? Guy, I'll be watching your video on social media. You are very funny, I swear.
Oh, my God.
Bronson, I swear, you make me and my brother laugh every time you see your video. I swear, especially when you say that, are you me, are you?
It's my question, your question.
So, Bronson, please, can I take picture with you?
Oh, my God. Who am I to decline? On cameras.
Thank you.
This man.
Bro, Abel, come, Abel. May you help us snap picture, Abel.
Yes, the camera.
Yes.
Jesus!
What's that?
Bronson, Abel, help me adjust me. Bronson, Abel.
What a breaking news.
Oh no,
Hey, Daddy!
Jesus!
the problem is that the phone is not my own.
Oh, my God. Where are you from?
I'm from Abagala.
Hell, another breaking news.
Bronson, please help me. This is not the time for comedy. I beg.
The comedy just started. Rolling 2, 1. Action. Hey, bro, come and take us some picture. The guy tell you, say, you still carry your phone, give her, monkey.
So, Bronson, is this what you have to tell me?
Oh, my God. Are you me? Me, are you? It's more question of question. Am I not a people?
Bronson, you're not a good person, no.
Bam. Person tell you 2 times, you still carry your phone, give am. What a chemistry. That's all these people who did this company, when they mind their business. The day when me and person go get problem for this company, go be like seeing a film, right? Or cannot they make noise for this yard guy?
Bro, so why they told me soon now?
Oh, my God. You deserve more than that.
Bronson, this one maybe say small thing now, you go to throw people shoe. I don't know where you learn that kind of thing though.
Oh, my God. I learned them for your grandfathers.
I know say you no go try that kind of thing with me.
He said,
Jesus!